Hello friends, welcome back to my new video guys in my YouTube channel. In this video friends, I am going to show you guys Poco Mobile sound and vibration setting, and in this video friends, we will talk about how to add custom ringtone, how to set custom ringtone in Poco Mobile. Friends, you want to use Poco Mobile custom ringtone. So friends, now let's see how to use Poco Mobile custom ringtone one by one, step by step. Friends, we will talk about. So before starting video friends, first of all, go and subscribe the channel, click the bell icon, like the video. Friends, in your Poco Mobile, open your device phone setting. After turn on phone setting, you can scroll down here and open your device sound and vibration setting. After turn on my phone sound and vibration setting, friends, you can see this type interface in your Poco Mobile. Friends, in your Poco Mobile, first of all, click here ringtone. You can select your ringtone sound and you can set ringtone and you can change ringtone. So friends, you can use your system ringtone. So friends, custom ringtone, how to use in Poco Mobile. So friends, first of all, click a second option, choose local ringtone option. Open your phone music ringtone and file manager you can open. So friends, I will show you one by one. First of all, click a file manager. Then select your ringtone, custom ringtone sound. First of all, select. After select ringtone sound, OK option, click here. Friends, ringtone sound will set and you can use your custom ringtone sound. Friends, you can see custom ringtone sound will set and you can increase decrease volume you can use. So like that friends, you can use custom ringtone, you can add custom ringtone in Poco Mobile and you can set. Friends, you want to change your custom ringtone sound, you want to add one more custom ringtone. Friends, you can see I have one custom ringtone sound, my ringtone 1. You want to add second. So friends, again click here. Now friends, we will click here music. You can select your music ringtone sound. Example friends, I will select this sound and OK option, click here. Music ringtone will add and friends, you can use your custom ringtone sound will change. So like that friends, you want to add, you want to set and you want to change Poco Mobile custom ringtone. So you can add your custom ringtone from your files and music and you can change and you can set custom ringtone in Poco Mobile. And friends, you want to set alarm custom ringtone. So friends, click here. All ringtone friends, automatic your custom ringtone will show. You can select your custom ringtone and you can set alarm custom ringtone. Friends, if you click on notification, so you can use your notification custom ringtone sound. So I hope friends you understood how to use Poco Mobile custom ringtone sound and how to set custom ringtone in Poco Mobile. Bye friends, thanks for watching the video. And friends, if you click here, so you can off your custom ringtone sound. You want to set your default ringtone in Poco Mobile, so you can set default ringtone. And again, you want to system ringtone, you can select your new ringtone sound and you can use in Poco Mobile. So bye friends, thanks for watching the video guys.